you think? It's a comfortable place. It sure is better than the city rat race. It's a wonderful place to go hoot and holler. Just be careful you're drinking his mountain water. He's a simple man with a heart of gold inside. He loves his family and he loves the life that he chose. He uses his tractor to batten the land that he owns. The YouTube live streams on his telephone, and he lives a life that most folks don't understand. But all he's doing is trying to live off the land. It's a comfortable place. It sure is better than the city rat race. It's a wonderful place to go hoot and holler. Just be careful if you're drinking his mountain water. Mamas, make sure your babies grow up to be carpenters. Let them swing hammers and drive pickup trucks. Make them play with their sawmills and such. Mamas, make sure your babies grow up to be carpenters. They're always alone 'cause they're driving nails home, 'cause it's something they love. Carpenters ain't easy to love, they're harder to hold. They'd rather build a building than give you diamonds or gold.
As y'all can see, roadkill stole my chair. Dang
If
cat.
you don't understand him and he don't die young, he'll probably build you something too. Mamas, make sure your babies grow up to be carpenters. Let them swing hammers and drive pickup trucks. Make them play with their sawmills and such. Mamas, make sure your babies grow up to be carpenters. They're always alone cause they're driving nails home, because it's something they love. They're always alone, they're driving nails home, because it's something they love.
Well, come here. You want your grandpa? Well, come here. Come here. Well, do you want me or not? You came to me. I didn't call you. Oh, you want a taste of that drink, huh? You like that? Oh, such good kisses. Such good kisses. Oh, yeah, such good kisses. Oh, yeah. Such good kisses. I don't need no French kisses, though. I don't need no French kisses. What do you think about that evil cat over there? You see that evil cat that stole our... That cat, Roadkill, stole our chair. You see that? Roadkill stole our chair. You think I should take Roadkill on out and use him to chalk the tires on the tractor? Should I chalk the tires with Roadkill? Folks, y'all missed it earlier. The hen with her 2 babies on out here. They were over here underneath the house. And Roadkill was just sitting on over here, just eyeballing those 2 baby chicks. Just eyeballing them like, man. Just like Sylvester and Tweety Bird. Man, Roadkill was just eyeballing those baby chicks. And Mama Hen, she got pissed. I mean, she got royally pissed. And all of a sudden, her feathers just flared on up, and she took after Roadkill, just a flogging away. I wish I had to cut it on video. It was so hilarious. I couldn't grab the camera fast enough. But man, I tell you what, Roadkill just took off, man. He was gone when Mama Hen came after her. Man, Roadkill did not stick around for Mama Hen. Mama Hen put the fear of God in her. And Stir Fry actually joined in on that case. I don't know, maybe Stir Fry and Mama Hen might become friends after that. I don't know, we'll see. Oh man, that's good. I forgot I had the camera on still. Sorry, folks. Folks, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, maybe they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, yeah. Bye! You see Roadkill over there? She wants to eat. Or maybe she's going to get at.